guys, what's up? Welcome back. Feels good to be doing something makeup related, and I know a lot of you are happy that I'm not whispering. I just have to say that was really fun though, and I'm happy that some of you did enjoy it. Anyways, as you guys can see by the title, I want to come in and tell you all about this IT Cosmetics Your Skin Better Foundation and Skincare. I have used this foundation for weeks and weeks. I would say it's been a month now. And I really like it. And I just wanted to give you a full review on it. I want to show you exactly how it works on the skin. I will of course do it in true review fashion and put it on one side of my face with a brush and on the other with a sponge. So let's just hop right into it. I will prep my skin first, and I'm going to use two primers just because I have them, and you know, it just makes the best outcome. One is called Too Faced Plump and Prime, and it is like a hydrating consistency. And then I use Benefit's Professional for this area, so it looks really smooth. And then before we get into it, before I start, I did want to show you or tell you what it says that it's gonna do. It says that it's your foundation for better skin. IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Foundation is your lightweight, hydrating foundation with a natural radiant finish that gives you beautiful looking skin even on the days you don't wear it. Experience an instantly better looking complexion and better bare skin in just 2 weeks with Your Skin But Better hydrating foundation and skincare. This buildable medium coverage foundation minimizes the look of pores and imperfections while delivering all day hydration and wear with a natural radiant finish. Suitable for all skin types and infused with hyaluronic acid, aloe vera extract, plus vitamins E and B5, your skin-loving lightweight foundation goes beyond a tinted moisturizer by working behind the scenes as you wear it. After just 2 weeks, skin looks smoother, skin tone appears more even, and skin texture is visibly refined. It's truly your foundation for better skin, even when you're not wearing it. The key benefits are hydrating foundation with buildable medium coverage, 100% agree. Microfine pearl powder provides a radiant finish, agree. Moisturizing hyaluronic acid, aloe vera extract, vitamins E and B5 plus Heps acid for gentle exfoliation. It says your better skin in 2 weeks. 7 out of 10 says skin looks smoother. So I'm just gonna go ahead and say that obviously I'm not gonna say that it's changing my skin. I think my skincare routine is, but this foundation truly is amazing, and I love the way it makes my skin look. I will zoom you guys in just a minute so you can see what my skin looks like, and then you can truly tell the difference of before and after. All right, so you guys are up close and personal so you could see, you know, what my skin is looking like at the moment. I will do one side at a time so you can see a complete difference. And again, I will do a brush and foundation. I'll do the brush on my right side and the sponge on my left. All right, so let's move into applying the foundation. I have 2 shades in this foundation, and one is a little too light and one is a little too dark, so when I put them together, they're perfect. One is Tan Warm 44 and the other is Tan Neutral 42. So I'm wondering if there's a color in between that would, you know, match me perfectly. These were sent to me, by the way, full transparency. I love IT Cosmetics, so they have such wonderful products. So the consistency of this is very much like a skincare. It's not too thin or anything. It's not too thick. And honestly, that's probably way too much, to be completely honest, but whatever. I am doing a review, and I'm just mixing the two of them behind my hand, and it feels so silky, so lovely. And when I use this foundation on a regular, I never use this much. I feel like with my age, I find that using less product is more, but because this is a foundation review, I'm gonna put a little more on than I normally would. And so on this side, I'm just going to spread it evenly with my finger like this, and then spread it out with my brush. And this brush is by Smashbox, and it's just the blurring foundation brush. And I like patting it in first. I have some veins right here on my cheek, and I find that when I like moving around like this, it doesn't do me any good. So I like to pat it in first, like so, and then, you know, use it like, you know, a traditional foundation brush. And someone commented that I was so rough on my face, and when I go back and look at the footage, I'm like, oh, maybe I am. So I'm trying to be softer on my face. But do you see that? I don't know if you can tell already, but it's very skin-like. And again, this is totally buildable coverage. You can apply way more than I did. I did not apply a lot, if you saw, and I went like this, you know, like I didn't dot all over my face. So I hope that's okay. And I just wanted to do half first before you saw the true difference. You see that? I feel like it just made my skin look like skin. The whole point of this is your skin, but better, right? That is the way that they're advertising this. And I am just in love with it. You see, like, this is the splotchiness of my skin, my freckles. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but you know, if you want a day-to-day foundation that just makes you feel confident in your skin, and you can just apply a little bit, but you can also do glam in this foundation, you know? I don't know. I'm not really into the heavy foundation look anymore. So this foundation truly speaks to me. But okay, let's move on to the left side, and we're going to use a sponge. This sponge is, I don't remember where it's from, but it's one of those velvety sponges. And I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm just going to wipe this foundation on my areas that need the coverage. And then we're going to bounce the sponge. The flat side, or yeah. I'm just going to bounce the sponge. This is my first time using this sponge. I'm almost positive it's from ColourPop. And it's their velvet sponge. And, you know, with a sponge, I feel like it just gives you more of a full coverage vibe, you know, because you're just bouncing it on your skin. And this is great, actually. You can see the different applications to it and decide for yourself if you think it looks nice or not. Can you guys tell a difference in applications? I'm gonna look closer real quick. Actually, the left side looks better with this, with the beauty, or not beauty blender, sponge. It just looks more smooth. The other side looks less coverage. And I'm sure you can totally see that. So what I'm gonna do is just take what's left over and just bounce it on the right side to make it more uniformed. I got you guys in real close too, so you can like really see the skin. We got no secrets here, girl. All right, there we go. There's some weird texture around my nose at the moment. I don't know what it is, but whatever. We're dealing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and conceal underneath my eyes and apply the bronzer. The concealer that I'm gonna use is the Laura Mercier Ultra Longwear Concealer, and then I'm going to just bronze with the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze, and then I will be right back. All right, and this is the complete look. This is the foundation on my skin, set, prepped, ready to walk out the door. I 100% recommend this foundation. I really do think it's beautiful. It does exactly what it says it does. I don't know about the claims about it truly making your skin better in 2 weeks. I think my skincare routine is overall just making my skin better. It does help that I have a good skincare routine in place, right? But all of the other benefits that it claims, I 100% think it does. There is, I did want to mention this, I don't think I said it in the beginning, there is a sparkliness to this. Like if you were to look at the bottle in person, there's definitely like an undertone of a gold shimmer, but for me, I can't see it directly on my skin besides the highlight, right? But you tell me if you can tell a difference when I showed you an up close look. I kind of want to like get all up in your face right now, show you up close while I'm talking. I did show you before and afters, but I just really enjoy this foundation. I truly think it makes my skin look like skin and that there's not a heavy layer of foundation on it, you know, and I think that's what I love so much about it. But cool, you guys tell me if you enjoyed this. Let me know if there's a foundation specifically that you would like me to buy to test out. This is just one that they sent over, and you know, I've heard a lot of buzz about it and I wanted to try it for myself, but I've really tried it. Like I tried it for over 4 weeks. It's been a really long time, and yeah, it's just been my go-to. I really enjoy it. But thanks so much for watching this video. As always, let me know any suggestions down below if you're interested in, you know, giving me some advice for my next video. I do everything around here, things that you guys don't like even, but okay. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you.